Hey guys, welcome back. America Ball, the personal stylist. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a how-to style tip. This is how to wear skinny jeans with your ankle booties. So sometimes if your ankle booties are a little too high, your skinny jeans aren't skinny just enough right at the ankle, this is just a little trick I like to do. Not that this looks terrible, because this looks perfectly fine. It's just a little bit bunched at the bottom, not a big deal. I'm just going to show you guys an alternative way to wear these. So you just want to kind of do a little skinny cuff, about a ½ inch, and just roll it up a few times, and then you're just going to push it down. So it's a little bit messy. And then we'll do the other one too. I'll show you guys here. So again, you're just going to do a little cuff, about a ½ inch, and you're going to cuff it a few times, leave some of the bunch of the fabric, and then push down over your ankle boot, and voila. So it's another alternative to a quick, easy way to just make your look a little bit more chic and a little bit more put together. If you tried this style tip, go ahead and comment down below. I want to hear how it worked for you. If it made you feel a little bit more confident and chic in your look of ankle booties and skinny jeans, I'd love to know. And if you like this video and want to see more how-to style videos, make sure to subscribe and have a great week. I'll see you all soon.